Some of my patients drink too much water. Very few of them don't drink enough. But I would say that the right amount of water varies from person to person. Drink when you're thirsty. And typically you should have one clear urine a day. The other ones can be quite yellow if you're drinking the right amount. If you're doing sports, especially in hot or humid weather, or you are active and outside a lot, then be sure to drink a little bit more water. If you're doing endurance sports, you may want to add some electrolytes to that as well, such as a small amount of Gatorade. But typically, if you take your weight in pounds and you divide it by 2, you do not need more than that amount in ounces of water. So 150 pounds, 75 ounces, you don't need more than that in water. You're usually good in the range of, for example, 60 to 75 ounces of fluids. Water's the main one in the course of a day.